Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated trucks of the year, the 2025 Ford F-150. From its powerful engine options to its cutting-edge features, this truck has it all. So, buckle up and let's explore what makes the 2025 F-150 a true game changer. The 2025 Ford F-150 is more than just a workhorse, it's a modern tool for today's truck buyers. With a starting price of $38,960, this truck is designed to meet a wide range of needs. It's no wonder it's on our 2025 Editor's Choice list. Whether you're looking for a powerful V8 or a fuel-efficient hybrid, the F-150 has an engine for you. And inside, you'll find a 2.0-inch infotainment display standard on every model, offering advanced tech and comfort. So, what's new for 2025? Ford has given the F-150 a fresh look with updated grills, lighting elements, and new wheel designs. A standout addition is the Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to open just a part of the tailgate for easier access. The base engine is now a turbocharged 2.7-liter V6, and the diesel option has been discontinued. Plus, Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving feature is available for the first time, bringing advanced driving tech to the F-150. The 2025 F-150's price ranges from $38,960 to $84,495, depending on the trim and options. While the Zelt offers a step up from the base XL, the Lariat model is our top pick for its perfect mix of features and affordability. With multiple body styles and bed lengths, there's an F-150 for every budget and need. Under the hood, the 2025 F-150 offers several engine choices. Starting with a 325 HP 2.7-liter V6, you can also opt for a 400 HP 5.0-liter V8, a 400 HP twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, or a 430 HP hybrid setup. All models come with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and you can choose between rear and four-wheel drive. The hybrid model offers an impressive 700-mile range and can power an onboard generator, making it perfect for job sites or power outages. How fast is the 2025 F-150? During our tests, the trimmer model with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds, while the PowerBoost hybrid model did it in 5.4 seconds. These times make the F-150 one of the quickest trucks in its class. When it comes to towing and payload, the 2025 F-150 doesn't disappoint. With a maximum towing capacity of 13,500 pounds using the 3.5-liter V6 and a payload capacity of up to 2,455 pounds, it's ready for any challenge. Even the hybrid model can tow up to 12,700 pounds, keeping it competitive with rivals like the Chevy Silverado and Ram 1500. Fuel economy is a key factor for many buyers. The F-150's turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 offers up to 20 mpg city and 26 highway, while the hybrid model achieves up to 25 mpg city and 26 highway. During our highway tests, the Tremor model with the 3.5-liter returned 19 mpg. Stay tuned for our real-world hybrid model tests. Step inside the 2025 F-150 and you'll find an interior that rivals the Ram 1500E's luxury. Higher-end models like the King Ranch and Platinum offer premium materials and innovative features like a fold-down shift lever and fold-flat front seats for added convenience. The crew cab body style provides generous passenger space, making it ideal for families. The bed offers an optional onboard generator for extra power on the go. Ford's 2.0-inch infotainment display is standard across the lineup, running the improved Sync for software. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, staying connected is easier than ever. Optional features include navigation, Sirius XM radio, and a Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Sync 4 also supports over-the-air updates for future enhancements. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 F-150. Standard features include automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, additional options like lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode and hand safety. Visit the NHTSA and IIHS websites for detailed crash test results. Ford offers a comprehensive warranty for the 2025 F-150, 3 years or 36,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper coverage, 5 years or 60,000 miles of powertrain protection. However, unlike some competitors, Ford doesn't offer complimentary scheduled maintenance. The 2025 Ford F-150 is a powerhouse of performance, technology, and versatility. Whether you're looking for a reliable work truck or a feature-packed family vehicle, the F-150 has something for everyone. Thanks for watching Crazy Auto Premiere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest auto news. See you next time!